Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 1001 possible raid warning. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This error message can appear if Roblox thinks that you're trying to raid another player's game. To fix this, we need to clear Roblox cache and cookies. First, open up your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and click on Clear Cache. Click on Clear Cookies. Close your web browser and reopen it. Try logging into Roblox again. The possible raid warning should be gone. That's it. This is how you fix the possible raid warning in Roblox. Additional tips: if you are still getting the possible raid warning after clearing your cache and cookies, you can try restarting your computer. You can also try disabling your ad blocker. Sometimes ad blockers can interfere with Roblox servers and cause this error message to appear. This can also occur if one of your family members is also using your account at the same time. In this case, you will need to log out of your account on all devices before trying to log back in. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.